Hey there, fellow video creators. Today, we're going to dive into some useful tips for script editing. Let's start with the structure of the story. Firstly, focus on the introduction, also known as the beginning. This is where you establish the characters, their background, and the basis of the story. Then, move on to the basic problem or conflict. Make sure to show the main problem clearly, as this is what drives the story forward. Next, let's talk about the ultimate point, or the climax. This is the most important turn of the story, where the character is confronted with the main problem. Finally, provide a solution to the problem, completing the character's journey. Remember, a well-structured story can make all the difference in captivating your audience. So, keep these tips in mind when editing your next video. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, keep creating and editing.